What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop. And check this out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys these $50 bills that I have. They are sequential. Look at this. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you come over here. 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a break. You go to 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I actually had all the way up to 29, but I gave those ones away. But how crazy is that, guys, that all these bills are sequential with the exception of the 11 that's missing? I want to show you guys what sequential bills are going for at this moment. So yeah, guys, that's pretty crazy. Make sure you check your dollars and check your coins. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.